The time a town blew up a whale. And it rained guts. In 1970, a dead whale washed up on an Oregon beach. It was too big to move and smelled awful, so officials came up with a genius plan. Blow it up with dynamite. Their logic? The explosion would send small manageable pieces into the ocean. Reality? A massive chunk of whale smashed a car a quarter-mile away, and the entire town got rained on by rotting whale guts. It was so bad, even seagulls refused to eat it. Moral of the story? Maybe don't use TNT to get rid of a whale. What would you have done? And don't forget to like and subscribe.